If you have an Amazon Echo, sure, you can play your favorite music, get the weather, and add things to your shopping list. But you can make Alexa do more. In my home, when you ask Alexa who is the best mother in the world, she says, it's Kim Komando. And I'm brought to you by SimpliSafe. Right now, my listeners can get 20% off SimpliSafe's award-winning home security. Learn more at simplysafekim.com. Alexa has the skills that you can use to make your life easier or more entertaining. But you don't have to stick to what she already knows. Create your own skills. It's simple to do. Go to blueprints.amazon.com. There you can set a schedule for reminders, have Alexa decide whose turn it is to take out the trash, give Alexa a date and she'll count it down. You can also set a string of compliments for Alexa to tell you. But here's the secret. You can customize Alexa's responses to questions too. That's the best. You give Alexa the question along with the answer and watch the family say, "What?" Go to blueprints.amazon.com. Get more tech smarts at Komando.com. The only place where you can get my show's podcast is on my website. Go to getkim.com.